Okay, so welcome to part 2 of cooking a roast joint of pork on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. This has now been on here for about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. We're going to take the lid off, have a quick look at it, do a little bit of preparation again and see where we are. So,
oh my god,
there we go, look at that. That is magnificent, absolutely beautiful. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the string off there. Let's just remove that string, take that out of there. And that will actually, there we go, let's get rid of that. And I'm going to just take that crackling off. As you can see, I've got quite a sharp knife here. Just take that crackling off there. Just away from there. Does get a bit slippery with the mat on here, but be careful guys if you're doing this. Okay. There we go. What I'm going to do, again, I'm just going to turn that joint over. As you can see, that is nearly done to perfection. And I'm just going to leave that piece of crackling lying on its front there, just sizzling away. We're going to leave that there for another 15 minutes, and then I think we might be done. Now, the big conversation topic here will be, why sit there and wait for 2 hours or 2.5 hours for this to cook? Well, the whole idea is you sit this on your Cadac, you put the lid on, you kick back, you have a bit of a doze in the sunshine,
and a couple of
vodkas, you do some reading, you people watch, and it's all about just taking it a little bit easy. So there you go. I'm just going to move that round so we get the lid back on there properly. Okay. So we'll just leave that there for about another 20 minutes or so, and we'll come back to it. We'll pop that lid on, and we'll see you all again soon. Catch you later. Okay, we've decided not to give it 15 minutes because we thought 10 minutes would be better.
And it was starting to smell a bit.
And it was starting to smell, but a nice smell, don't get me wrong, but you know, we just want to be uber precautious.
I don't want it to burn.
No, of course you don't. So there we go. That is our joint pork. I'm going to turn the gas off, just so we can get that heat off. I'm going to take that off now and pop that onto the chopping board. And let's just cut into that just to see what we're like. Look, right through the middle.
Oh, that's cooked.
That is perfect. Absolutely perfect. That is not undercooked at all. That is just absolutely spot on. That really is.
Which lump is mine?
Exactly. So best thing to do then is to let that relax, say 5-10 minutes. Obviously cover it up so flies can't get on it. If you've got vegetables, you can, I don't know if you can hear, I'm salivating here. I've got a bit of crackling sitting here.
Look.
That's a good bit of crackling, so that's going there. So
yeah, chop that up, I'll have that
so
new vodka.
yeah, if you've got some veg cooking somewhere or whatever, you know, this is the perfect joint for Sunday lunch, or just have it with potatoes or some bread or some salad.
Well, I've got the potatoes cooking at the moment.
Perfect. We've got some new potatoes.
Oh, yeah.
So this really is perfect. At £3.80 from Aldi, you know, you can't go wrong with that as a nice joint. That will last us today and I think tomorrow for sandwiches or in our
Yeah,
salad.
but we looked at, didn't we? We decided what we were going to have for tonight, and we thought, well, perhaps we might have some rump steak or something.
Yep.
But by the time you get to £2 each
Yep.
on a rump steak, and that was a cheap oldie.
Exactly,
£2 each. I mean, this is cheap.
This is
cheap
perfect
one, yeah.
because we'll eat this tonight. We'll have it in a salad or for sandwiches tomorrow. So it's perfect. Now come back up here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's just look at this. Don't forget, we used the Twisted Chef mat on the top here, just to try and protect, well really just to try and stop the cleaning. And yeah,
Oh my God,
look at that. It does need a bit of a white round, but
Yeah.
if that pork had been on there,
Yeah.
that would have been a lot dirtier and a lot harder
And
to
no doubt
clean.
the bit underneath.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the bit underneath like. But you can't
Well, I can't lift that up;
No,
it's too
it's too
heavy.
hot.
But that's a fat catcher
Yeah, okay,
anyway.
fair
So there you go. Don't forget, use your Twisted Chef barbecue mat on the top there as well. So there you go. What more can I say? I hope you found that really, really informative. Gorgeous piece of pork, cooked on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. If you have found it good, please give me the thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that red button, because the more you subscribe, the more we can bring to you. And this is just another thing we can do on the Cadac. It's brilliant. So thanks very much for watching, and bye for now. Cheers.